In today's video, I'm going to teach you design professional PPT slides on mobile using Canva. If you want clean, polished slides without opening a laptop, this walkthrough will guide you from a blank canvas to a presentation you'll be proud to share. Start by opening the Canva app and creating a new project using the presentation size with a 16:9 ratio. This widescreen format is the standard for most displays and video calls, so your slides will fill the screen without awkward borders. Once your canvas opens, head to the Templates tab. Search for terms like business, corporate, or minimalist to discover layouts that look modern and professional. Choose a theme that suits your content and apply it to all pages. Applying the theme across the entire deck keeps fonts, spacing, and colors consistent, which instantly makes your presentation look more credible and cohesive. Now refine the content. Tap any text box to edit the wording. Switch fonts and adjust sizes using the bottom toolbar. Aim for a clear hierarchy, larger headings for key ideas, smaller body text for supportive details. Keep contrast high, so text is easy to read against the background. Replace any placeholder images by uploading your own or selecting photos from Canva's library. Choose images that are sharp, relevant, and not overly busy, and position them so they don't compete with your message. As you build out slides, follow a few professional design principles. Keep consistency by limiting yourself to a small set of fonts and a defined color palette. This creates a recognizable rhythm across the deck. Maintain simplicity with the 7x7 rule, about 7 lines per second slide and roughly 7 words per line to reduce clutter. Embrace white space so each element has room to breathe. For visuals, open the Elements tab and add high-quality icons, charts, or illustrations that clarify your points. Match icon styles. Stick to your palette and use charts that are easy to read at a glance. When your content looks solid, add a touch of motion. Open animations to apply gentle effects to elements or tap between slides to add transitions like fade or slide. Keep these subtle so they enhance flow without distracting from your message. Preview everything with the play icon. Watch for pacing, readability, and consistency from slide to slide. If anything feels crowded, trim text or enlarge key visuals. Finally, tap the share icon, choose download, and select PPTX. This saves your presentation in a format you can further edit in Microsoft PowerPoint while preserving your design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.